You looking for some new finds at Dollar Tree? Well, honey, let me have you move your feet to the beat out in these streets. Check these items out. Honey, I'm just walking on sunshine. Okay, just walking on sunshine up in Dollar Tree doing a little something. Check these items out. You know, I'm just moving and grooving out in these Dollar Tree streets, you know? And you know you're rocking with the best. Leave it to the rest. Listen, I got some goodies to show you guys. Now, let me tell you something. If your Dollar Tree don't have it, maybe you want to go a town over from your original Dollar Tree that you normally go to. This is amazing. Is this it? Is it it? Because I think this is it. Because it is given. Look at them. Ooh. Okay. Girls. Ooh, chill. Ooh, and you know what? For a part of me was like, you know, the hating part. Not, you know, I'm full of love. But the ego was telling me, girl, don't get there. Okay? I'm glad I did. Listen to my intuition, honey. This is a movie groovy. Look at them cars. Okay. This is given. I just got out the shower. I do have a towel. But on the girls curling, oh, they are giving. Hold on, because you see the curls, all right? But just in case, look. Do you see it now? Do you? Given. We got it. The Eco Cell Textured Edit Curvy Defined Sculpting Cream with Vitamin K. Now, I just got out of the shower. I just washed my hair. This is the second time I washed my hair this week. Now, the items, because I know some of you girlies will ask, like, what do I use for my hair? Avocado and almond and avocado line from Design Essentials. This is the shampoo. If you want to get it for the low, honey, you're going to go to TJ Maxx. And then I also put the Amika. This is the Hydro Rush. This is going to hydrate your hair. This is the conditioner. Now, we're going to get this to go like Joe since I'm freshly washed, okay? Let's see. It's dedication. Now, it says apply a dime size evenly in small sections to wet or damp hair, style as desired. Customized styles for curvy, curly, and coily hair, enriched with the regenerating properties of vitamin K for healthier styling. All right, honey, it sounds good. All right. So this is pretty much how it looked. It has like, to me, it's like a gel consistency. Wow. Do it have to be? I ain't gonna ask no questions. Listen, looky cookie. Did you guys see this? This is the fragrance boosters. Oh, chill, you better. Listen, these are movie groovy. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has the long-lasting freshness in-wash fragrance boosters night for a breeze. Oh my goodness, honey, this will definitely bring you to your knees, this one. They also have the sunrise splash. This is $1.50. Now, if I'm choosing any two, it is definitely, if I'm choosing anyone, it is definitely going to be this one. Absolutely, hands down, the best of the best, not like the rest. Amazing. You know, I gotta give you the name brand finds at Dollar Tree, right? So, Dollar Tree, if you guys have not seen this, honey, you moving slowly, okay? Dollar Tree has, this is the Pop Sugar, a name brand fine. Normally like $15. Honey, when I tell you, you can smell the eucalyptus. And what I love about this is in glass. Absolutely love it. Thick glass, that is. $1.25. So, Dollar Tree, they also have these new wipes, these antibacterial wipes. This is the Island of Vanilla. Ooh, child, just some goodies. Now, they also have this one as well. I said, ooh, it is a given. Now, this is the pink pineapple. Isn't that color gorgeous? $1.25. You get 40 wipes for $1.25. That's a steal deal. Like Holyfield. Did you see them? Listen, new at Dollar Tree. These are right now, honey, wait for it. You gotta wait for this. Okay, I told you go get that pen. Retino wipes. Okay, it's giving Joe Boxer. Isn't it fancy pantsy? You get 30 Retino pre-moistened wipes for $1.25. Just moving and grooving. You looking for a sweet treat that's gonna have you move your feet, honey? Now you know you gotta move your feet to the beat out in these Dollar Tree streets. Now, Dollar Tree has this, and when I tell you it is a delish, in this words of the mother and the brother. Now, this is the Arizona, the tropical chill Ziku, okay? Now, I think that's how you pronounce it, juice cocktail. Ooh, they got so many of these. Newbies. Yeah, I used to rock a doobie. Check this out, honey. This is definitely given. And that's words to the mother and the brother. Lucky Cookie. They have the black and white iced tea with ginseng and honey. Oh, they just showing out. Now, the Mancho Mango. What is this? $1.25. Oh, honey. You know what it is? It's really the marketing team that's delivering like a chicken wing, okay? You know, it is the goodies for me at Dollar Tree. Ooh, girls, let me tell you something. When the last time you've been to the tree? Now, did you guys see these? These are the oil and vinegar glass bottles. You see the vinegar sign right there, honey, in your face. You know I'm just in a place. Now, I absolutely love these, how they have the dispenser, this thing right here. You can just tilt it and pour. Oh, honey, you a fancy one. So Dollar Tree has the new ramen toppers, the veggie topping mix. This is $1.25. Like this, no seasoning added, is letting you know. And then also all veggies, nothing else. This is definitely given. So Dollar Tree has the SpongeBob 4-piece meal prep containers. These are fancy pantsy, honey. They also have the Minnie Mouse as well. You get 2 containers, 2 lids. Absolutely love this. What about the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles? Yes! You rocking with the best. Don't play with them. They also have the Stitch set too. Now the Stitch is giving newbie. Like we used to rock the doobie. Really, really cool. $1.50. Can I show you the fancies? Oh, of course. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has the food storage containers. Love these. Of course, they bought these back. They have Garfield. They have Mickey. They also have Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Love this. And Stitch. Ooh, they are so gorgeous. They, you know what? They just showing out. It's the printed tees for me. The printed t-shirts. You know, Dollar Tree is really doing it for me. You get what I'm saying? They really doing it. Now, they have different printed tees. These are adult printed t-shirts. They look amazing and stunning with a pair of shorts. Ooh, girl, you gonna be moving this summer. Fancy pantsy. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has the adult printed tees. This is a medium. I like this. This is definitely given. My fave is definitely Love and Unity. I like that. Dollar Tree has these new hand sanitizers. Now, this is watermelon splash antibacterial hand sanitizer, moisturizers with vitamin E and aloe, $1.25. They also have the Blossom Blush as well, antibacterial hand sanitizer. Now, these, you can smell them, right? You can smell like they have the summer lemon, you smell the watermelon, but it is like when it comes to the alcohol is strong, okay? But I'm gonna show you guys something that smells, I mean, it will literally knock your socks off. Okay, now I took my socks off, but it will knock yours off. And it is definitely this, the pineapple papaya, the foaming hand soap. It smells terrific. Now the dragon fruit as well, but in my opinion, this one smells, honey, hands down. It is the new finds at Dollar Tree. Like this. Did you see these? This is, honey, I said, what in the world is this? Oh, honey, get into this. Check this out. This is fancy. So Dollar Tree has the Glamour Salon boards, okay? 3 pick medium grit files, nail files that is. Sturdy core, resist, and bending. These are $1.25. Aren't they fancy? Ooh, honey, it is definitely given. I like this. Also have these amazing press-ons. It is the French manicure for me. This one gets all of the tea, honey. And then they also have these over here, but I'm definitely feeling this. Now Dollar Tree also have some new nail polishes. They have the Must Have Beauty. This red is just given. This red is given auntie, okay? They also have the glossy polish, this one as well, the pink, and then they also have this beige, $1.25. These next items, they are so cute, if I may say so myself. I mean, they are definitely given at Dollar Tree. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has the Disney Toy Story 5 watermelon scented. They also have the Moana mango scented. These are bubble baths. Now, if your little ones need a little motivation, Dollar Tree has these bath mitts, exfoliators. They have Paw Patrol, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and then they also have the Smurfs and SpongeBob SquarePants. I love this. All right, family, let me know what was your favorite item that you've seen featured in this Dollar Tree haul. I brought some goodies. Now, I'm going to give this Eco, a go like Joe. I also brought some nail tip, and we going to see if this movie groovy. Okay, is it movie groovy? With that being said, make sure you guys rock out, believe in yourselves, keep going, keep growing. Until next time.